engine weight, 111 mm diameter. Safety features. All rotating parts undergo 100% non-destructive testing. Kevlar containment ring. Machined engine housing with stop ring. Reliability. Only top quality materials and components used. All components designed for 816 operating conditions. Extensively tested on ground and in the air. Low operating cost. Mobile DTE oil light enabled. Diesel fuel enabled. Easy installation. Single fuel line. Internal kerosene igniter and temperature probe. Simple electronic connection. High pressure ratio centrifugal compressor for high performance and realistic sound. Optimized secondary airflows and lubrication system for low bearing temperatures. CFD optimized and rigorously tested combustion chamber with 10 fuel injectors in cold flow for reliable operation and life. CFD and FEM optimized axial turbine stage from Inconel 713LC for high performance and life. Hebel turbines 816.